today I am unboxing this AlphaBot cordless electric mop, and please excuse the way that I look. It is a cleaning day, hence why we're unboxing the mop. But I wanted to go ahead and unbox it and then use it with you guys because I'm always interested in new products and I love to share new products that I get. So this is the AlphaBot cordless electric mop WS24. Some of the things that it says is that it is super quiet. It has an LED lighting, dual motor drive. It's good for waxing the floor, and it has a 1-button water spray to like spray and clean up spots. What else? Charging time is 4 to 5 hours. Rotating speed is 150 RMPs, whatever that means, I don't know. The water tank capacity is 180 mLs. So I am excited to use this. So let's get it unboxed so that I can do a little demo using it. Sit the mic down. I guess I'll put it on so you can hear me. All right, so let's get in here. To see the contents of the box. Something's falling out there. Alrighty, we have everything out here. And this just fell out. It looks like a little funnel. Not sure what that's used for yet. And then we have a package here that has the mop pads on it. Or the mop pads to go on it. Then we have a little container here with some measurements on it, so I'm sure we will do something with that. This is obviously the handle for the mop. We're going to put that together. Then we have the adapter cord to charge it. And then last, we have the actual mop portion that's going to do the work. Okay, and it already has a set of pads on it, so I'm assuming this is just an extra set, and we will get this connected to the arm, and you can obviously put something in here, some solution. I'm going to have to take a look at everything, but this is all the contents of the box. Let's get it put together and we'll talk a little bit more about it. So now that we got it assembled, we're going to let it charge for a couple hours, and then we will come back and do a demo and see how well it works. So I'll be back after it charges. Right, so the mop is finished charging, and there's this big area that's dirty on the floor. You can see where we had someone come in to do some work and they walked on the floor. And that's what happened. So it needs to be mopped and cleaned. So we're going to test it out with this. The light that was on here that was red, it did turn green to let me know that it was done charging. And now we're going to check this out together because I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to cut it on. Oh, you see the light. And then I'm going to hit, the on button is right here. And then I'm going to hit this water button. I put some cleaning solution in it, so let's see what happens. Oh, it just, oh, there it is. So it squirts out the cleaning solution, and now let's go over these areas and see how it does. Ooh. Okay, I'm trying to do this with one hand, and it is powerful. So what I may have to do is to like really scrub those areas and then come back over and mop it. Yeah, so let me see, maybe, oh, you know what? It said that the white pads were for deep cleaning. Let me change the pads. Let me see if I change the pads on it, if that'll make a difference. Hold on one second. All right, so here are the white pads. So I'm gonna change these out for the ones that's on there, and then we're gonna try it again. And if that doesn't get these spots up, then I don't know. We might need to send it back and get a different one because I really wanted to use it for spots. I can do that with the Swiffer. So we're gonna see. All right, so we switched it out for the white pads. Let's see. Cut it back on. And spray. All right, let's see what happens if it gets these spots up. Okay, that's better. So, yeah, I guess I just needed the white pads on there. Okay, much better. All right, so don't judge my hair because like I said, I'm cleaning, but that worked much better. So the important thing, oh, let me get my mic. The important thing with this mop is to use the proper pads on the bottom. So if you're just doing like an everyday quick clean, then you use the gray ones. If you need a deeper clean or if you have a spot on the floor, then you use the white ones, and that worked a lot better. So I think I'm pretty pleased because I think it was like $69. So it wasn't anything ridiculously expensive. So I think I'm going to keep it. I'm going to finish mopping the floors. And yeah, I guess you decide if you think it's worth $69. You kind of saw how many times I had to go over it to get the spot up. But to me, I think it's definitely worth it. So yeah, I will link this mop in the description box if you are interested. And this is why I do reviews, real reviews. You see me using it for the first time. So yeah, again, that is the AlphaBot cordless electric mop. I do like that it's cordless, so I don't have to drag around a cord. And so yeah, I'm gonna keep trying it out, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it. So I'll link it below. Hope this was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.